Alright, so welcome back to our website design and using Dreamweaver. So we are going to continue from where we've ended in our previous video. We inserted gallery, we inserted flash button, we wanted to insert uh, flash video, but unfortunately the flash video wouldn't work because we needed to convert the video into flash. So we are going to try by inserting image design. Later we'll go to the flash. I have to insert a flash video, a flash software on my system so that I can use it to teach you. But the most important ones is what I'm going to give it out now. So let's focus on this activity. So I will just have to save the page. I just have to save it. Then I will have to continue from that end. So I'll just have to expand this size. So this size is what I'm going to use to develop the image, or I can even use this side. So all that I have to do is just have to expand or page. So I'm going to put it over here. So let's go to the top. So right now I have our size. So if I check reduce this, so put it in your mind that you have access to edit your web layout. You have access to edit them. So I'm going to use this side. So this is the side that I will need to design a simple design over there. So I'll pick the size that is 436 by 588. Then afterward I'll go and open my flash. So I'll open my flash from the desktop. So I'll pick my file. As I make mention, you're going to learn how to design a simple uh, picture design. So I'll go for fireworks. So this is my fireworks application. So I'll open it. Now open it. I need to go in for the picture. So this program is purposely for what? For designing simple activities. If you had a picture and I want to type and add some small activities to it, you have access to do that. So I'm going for my picture. So I'll just have to open new. And the new, I have to use the layout size that we copied here. I have to use this layout size. So if I go to the fireworks, I need to insert this with the height is 588. So this is the size of it. Then afterward I have to choose, and I need to use the transparent. So I will just click OK. So immediately I click OK, I will have my image size. So as rotated, it should be landscape. So I'll go back and change this to, it should be like this. Supposed to be 588. This one should be 436. So yes, this is how it's supposed to be. So when I come here, you see it over here. So this is the break. So oh sorry, so the size isn't 5 cm. The size is supposed to be, height is 298. So 298 against 436. 436. So I have to go back and make that changes. So I'll come here and I'll insert the 436 here. Here will be the 29298. So this is the size that I'm going to work on it. Now, after getting the size correctly, I'll go in for a picture. So let me see if I can get a picture from my desktop. Okay, so this is my picture that I want to use. So I'll have to make a copy of it, come here and what, paste it, or I can choose it from this angle. Okay, let me choose it from this. So I have to choose import. So the import will give me access to my desktop items. Then I'll search for the picture that I want to use, then choose open. So immediately I choose open, it will come here. Then when it comes, I need to resize the image. So it's going to be 436, just like the size of it, 298. Then I'll hit enter. So this is my picture size. So this is what I want to use. Now I want to type something on this. So all that I have to do, just come to my pick text tool, and I'll pick it and click anywhere of the page. So I'll type training lab, training lab. So after the typing, I can go for picture, then make changes to it because the size is too big. So I need to reduce the size from this angle. So this are the properties for the text. So I'll just have to reduce it to this. So I have my text there. Then you can position it to any angle of your choice. Now when it comes like this, you have access to what, to modify it or to what, to change it. So modify it, I have bold over here, I have italic here. So whatever that I want to do, I can do it. If I want to apply shadow and other stuff to it, I have it over here. So now picking this, I'm going for outer. Now you can see that immediately I click the outer, you have a different view. So I'll reduce it to 5, and you see that it has worked. So if I want to make changes, I'll just have to double click on it, give it 3. So 3, you can see that the text has what changed. If I want to apply something else, I can go in for another one, then groups. So you have a lot of things that you can use when you are designing a web. So let's say I want to insert the group here. You can see I have the group at the back. If I don't need it, all that I have to do is just click on this map and the group will be labeled. So this is just a simple uh, picture design. If you want to add text to your picture, if you want to do anything, you can have it. Now assuming I want to place a border on it, so all that I have to do, go for the rectangle shape, then be on this angle. So immediately I put it there, the place will be filled. But I don't need the field color, so I'll remove it. I'm going for color. That is what I want. So I'm going for, then we'll increase the size of the text box. So I have my size in there. Then we'll go for reduction. You just have to put your cursor on the note that you see at the end, at the corner of it. Then you drag it. So you drag it to the corner. Now let me increase the, yes. So what on my page. So after this one, I just have to save it. Just have to save it into my website.com. So I'll go in for it and choose image. Set. I'll choose pic. I'll choose save it. So I'll go back to my browser. Then we'll click, we'll choose it, and we'll check. So I said I want to insert our picture over here. So I'll go in for insert, then choose image folder. I'll click the image folder. So because I didn't click inside the layout over here, the picture went outside. So I'll go in back again and choose picture folder. Then I'll click. So we'll expand it with the size. Then we'll go in for the picture. Here is my picture. So immediately I select it, the picture will be in for us to go back, check it on my browser. This is not the page. So I'll go in for the browser and we'll refresh the page. Immediately I refresh the page, so in website designing, at least you need to know how to design sample or um, designs. So this is a sample design that I just worked out of things that you can use. So instead of a design image. Now in designing a website, you need to have a basic knowledge in designing some small activities just like what we just did. So you need to learn how to design. Most of times website pages there is no design there unless you are doing it for social media marketing. That is where you'll be needed to design some certain pictures and some certain stuffs. So you need to know how to do it. Let's go back to our so if you have any question you are still saying you can just give us or comment and everything. Any question? So right now we've designed a simple banner for our website. Banner design. So if you want to add in a contact number, locations that you have access to what to do, you have to just open your app, then what add it to it. Add it by rotation this one to type your contact. So this is the contact, then open my resistance 151. Then later we'll go in for a smaller size over here. We do the size to maybe 35 so that it will fit. Then if I want to change the color, I can change it from this angle. Maybe I need white color. I have to. So if the size is too big, you still have access to reduce it. So if the person wants to give us a call, just give us a call. Then you save it. So immediately you save it, it will automatically go straight here because I've created the image into the web folder. So whatever thing that I do over there, it will affect it straight. So this is how we create a simple design banner. If you want to design a simple banner for your website, that is how you do it. So you need to learn other design at least one. If you want to use Corel, you can learn it. If you want to use Fireworks, you can also learn it. If you want to use the Adobe Photoshop, you can also use it. If you want to use Corel Paint or any other paint designing programs, you can use it to design your petty banners in your website. So this is our simple web design banner.